Hey, what's up people, welcome back to another video. In this quick video I'll show you how to uninstall an app on Mac if you're getting this error. It says the app cannot be moved to bin because it's open though you have closed it. So it's very simple. Let's get started. So first thing, you will open the Finder and go to application. This is the app that I'm trying to uninstall. So I'll select the app, then click on this down arrow on actions and select move to bin. You can see I'm getting the same error. So we need to kill this app from the task manager, which is activity monitor for Mac. So press command and spacebar. This will open the spotlight search and search for activity monitor. Under activity monitor, look for the app that you want to delete, that you want to force quit so that you can delete from the application. This is the one. Select and click on stop. Make sure you select force quit and this will kill the app, and close. Go back to application, select the app, same procedure. Under actions, click on move to bin, and that's it. Now the app is deleted from your Mac. So I hope you found this video helpful. For more such videos, don't forget to give a like and subscribe. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you in the next one. Bye bye.